Are your dental habits or problems aging you faster than you think? In this video, we reveal the 5 common dental mistakes that could be making you look older and share expert tips to reverse the effects. From addressing gum recession to brightening dull teeth, discover the secrets to maintaining a youthful smile. Don't let your smile give away your age. Tune in to learn how to keep your teeth looking fresh and youthful for years to come. Watch now and start your journey to a younger-looking smile today. Hey there! Welcome back to Dental Health 365. Have you ever glanced in the mirror and wondered why your appearance doesn't match how young you feel? What if I told you that your teeth might be the hidden reason behind those extra years showing on your face? In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 dental habits that could be aging you, and more importantly, how to correct them. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last habit we're covering has the most transformative impact. You definitely don't want to miss it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Dental Health 365 for more expert dental tips. First on our list of aging dental habits is yellow or stained teeth. Over time, teeth naturally lose their brightness due to factors like coffee, tea, red wine, and certain foods. As we get older, the enamel thins, revealing the yellowish dentin underneath, which can make us look older. So how can you bring back that youthful shine to your smile? Solution 1 is over-the-counter whitening products. Whitening strips, gels, and toothpaste can help lighten surface stains. Look for products with the ADA seal of acceptance for safety and effectiveness. While these are good for mild stains, it may take a bit of time to see noticeable results. Solution 2 is professional teeth. Whitening. For faster and more dramatic changes, consider in-office treatments like Zoom or opalescence. These professional procedures use high-concentration bleaching agents and can whiten your teeth several shades in just one session, ideal for special occasions or when you want quick results. Solution 3 is at-home whitening kits. These kits include custom-fitted trays from your dentist and professional-grade whitening gels. They offer a great balance between convenience and effectiveness, letting you achieve a brighter smile at home. To keep your teeth white, try to limit staining foods and drinks and maintain good oral hygiene every day. The second reason in our list of aging is worn-down teeth. Let's discuss worn-down teeth. This issue often arises from habits like bruxism, also known as teeth grinding, which can significantly erode your tooth enamel. Over time, this leads to a shorter, older-looking smile that can affect both your appearance and dental health. So, how can you protect and restore your teeth? Solution 1 is custom-made night guards. Wearing a custom-fitted night guard is one of the best ways to protect your teeth from grinding damage while you sleep. These guards act as a barrier between your upper and lower teeth, helping to prevent further wear and reduce jaw discomfort. Solution 2 is stress management techniques. Stress is a common trigger for teeth grinding, so adopting stress reduction techniques like meditation, regular exercise, and good sleep hygiene can help minimize this damaging habit. Solution 3 is restorative dental treatments. For teeth that are already severely worn, restorative dental treatments like crowns, veneers, or bonding can help restore their original shape and function. These treatments not only rejuvenate your smile, but also improve your bite, giving you a more youthful appearance. Early intervention is crucial. If you notice signs of tooth wear, consult your dentist right away to prevent further damage and maintain a healthy smile. Third on our list of aging is receding gums. Our next focus is receding gums, a condition that can make your teeth look longer and older by exposing more of the tooth and even the roots. Receding gums can result from periodontal disease, aggressive brushing, or genetic factors. So, how can you address gum recession and maintain a youthful smile? Solution 1 is proper oral hygiene practices. Adopt a gentle approach to brushing by using a soft bristled toothbrush and employing proper brushing techniques. Include flossing and an antibacterial mouthwash in your daily oral care routine to keep your gums healthy and prevent further recession. Solution 2 is scaling and root planing. Scaling and root planing is a deep cleaning procedure that removes plaque and tartar from below the gum line. This treatment helps your gums heal and reattach to the tooth surfaces, promoting overall gum health. Solution 3 is gum grafting surgery. In advanced cases of gum recession, gum grafting surgery can be a solution. This procedure involves taking tissue from another area of your mouth and grafting it to the receded gum line. This not only enhances the appearance of your gums, but also offers protection against tooth decay and sensitivity. Pro tip is regular dental checkups are crucial for the early detection and treatment of gum issues. Keep up with your appointments to ensure your gums stay healthy and your smile remains youthful. Fourth on our list of aging is missing teeth. Missing teeth can have a significant impact on your appearance and oral health. Whether the teeth are visible or not, gaps can lead to bone loss, shifting of remaining teeth, and changes in your facial structure, making you look older than you are. So, what are your options for addressing missing teeth and rejuvenating your smile? Solution 1 is dental implants. Dental implants offer a long-lasting and natural-looking solution for missing teeth. This involves placing a titanium post into the jawbone, which acts as a sturdy base for a crown that seamlessly blends with your existing teeth. Dental implants restore both function and aesthetics, giving you a youthful, confident smile. Solution 2 is dental bridges. Dental bridges are designed to fill the gap left by missing teeth by anchoring artificial teeth to the surrounding natural teeth or implants. This solution helps restore your smile and maintains the alignment of your remaining teeth. Solution 3 is dentures. For those missing multiple teeth, partial or full dentures can be an effective solution. Modern dentures are crafted to be comfortable and natural-looking, providing both improved functionality and enhanced appearance. Replacing missing teeth as soon as possible is crucial for maintaining your jawbone density and facial structure. Prompt replacement helps ensure a youthful look and supports overall oral health. Fifth on our list of aging is crooked or misaligned teeth. Crooked or misaligned teeth can impact more than just the aesthetics of your smile. They can also affect your oral health. Misalignment can lead to uneven tooth wear, jaw pain, and challenges with proper cleaning. So, how can you address crooked or misaligned teeth and achieve a straighter, healthier smile? Solution 1 is traditional braces. Metal braces are a time-tested solution for correcting various alignment issues. They offer precise control over tooth movement, making them effective for both simple and complex orthodontic problems. Solution 2 is clear aligners. Clear aligners, like Invisalign, provide a discreet and comfortable alternative to traditional braces. These removable trays gradually straighten your teeth without the visible brackets and wires, making them a popular choice for adults and teens. Solution 3 is retainers and orthodontic appliances. In some cases, retainers or other orthodontic appliances can be used to address minor alignment issues or maintain the results achieved after orthodontic treatment. Investing in orthodontic treatment not only enhances the appearance of your smile, but also improves your overall dental health and boosts your confidence. And that wraps up our look at the top 5 dental problems that could be making you look older and how to fix them. Whether it's addressing yellowed teeth, worn enamel, receding gums, missing teeth, or crooked alignment, there are effective solutions available to help you achieve a youthful, radiant smile. Remember, maintaining a bright and healthy smile is key to looking and feeling your best. Don't forget to consult with your dentist to find the right treatments for your needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Dental Health 365 for more expert dental tips and advice. Got any questions or want to share your own dental care tips? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.